41 years, an Indian visited space. For the first time, an Indian reached the International Space Station, and today he is safely back after a historic 18-day space odyssey. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, an Indian Air Force officer, returned to Earth today after an 18-day mission aboard the International Space Station. And this is not just historic, it's a big step forward for India's space ambitions, especially the upcoming Gaganyaan mission. Shukla launched on June 25th from NASA's Kennedy Space Center as part of the Axiom 4 mission in collaboration with ISRO, NASA and SpaceX. He flew aboard the Dragon spacecraft Grace, docked at the ISS a day later and spent over 2 weeks conducting important experiments. And we are not talking about simple tasks. These were science-backed experiments on moong and methi seed germination, stem cell behavior and even microalgae in space. But why does that matter? Because it gives ISRO critical data on how Indian missions can handle life sciences, food sustainability and human biology in space. During his time in space, Shukla also spoke to PM Narendra Modi, students and ISRO scientists, boosting inspiration back home. And today, the PM called him India's first astronaut to visit the ISS and praised his courage and dedication. This mission wasn't just symbolic, it cost around 600 crore rupees, but that covered full astronaut training, tech preparations and collaborations with NASA and SpaceX. And for ISRO, the return on that investment is invaluable. Real-time astronaut experience, tested protocols and lessons that will directly shape Gaganyaan. In fact, it took over 41 years after Rakesh Sharma's 1984 mission for another Indian, Shubhanshu Shukla, to go to space. And Shukla returned safely today, splashing down in the Pacific Ocean at 3:01 p.m. Indian Standard Time, along with Commander Peggy Whitson and 2 other astronauts. His family, watching from Lucknow, was visibly emotional. And ISRO is preparing to launch unmanned Gaganyaan mission later this year and followed by the first crewed Indian mission in 2027. Shukla is one of the 4 trained IAF officers in the running for that historic fight, and Gaganyaan has a budget of around 10,000 crore rupees and it aims to put Indians in space for 2 to 7 days. Beyond that, ISRO's vision includes an Indian space station by 2035 and even a mission to the moon by 2040. And now all eyes will be on Shubhanshu Shukla's return to India. The Indian Air Force Group Captain and test pilot is set to get a hero's welcome upon his return to India.